Hello guys, this video is all about a review of Mi Pad 6 Pro after a year of usage. I would like to emphasize two things. Number one is the battery life and the performance. After a year of using, the battery life can still last long within 1 to 2 days without charging. It's the same as it was new, even you are using it for gaming, social media, watching videos, or etc. The charging time is 30 minutes from 0% to 80% as per my observation. The battery life stands in the test of time. So let's go now to the performance. I updated my device to the HyperOS, which is the latest software version of Xiaomi, and it helps to utilize the full capability of the device. And also, I would like to emphasize the performance of this chipset, scoring 1.2 points in Antutu benchmark. So playing games like ML with ultra high settings is not a problem. The same as true the Call of Duty Mobile running with 120 FPS and overclock setting in Genshin Impact is very smooth in this device. So if you want me to test another games, you can type it in the comment section so I can upload it immediately. And for special mention, the PC mode of this device, just like a PC, you can use a lot of apps at the same time. So talking about its performance is a huge thing after a year of using it, because I tried a lot of devices and all of them slowed down after a year. Unlike with this Mi Pad 6 Pro, I can say that the performance is the same as I bought it until now. And for me, it is very recommendable. So if you're going to ask me if it is worth it to upgrade to a 6S Pro, so let's think about it. Let's talk about this for a while. So by the way, I installed a lot of games in my device, so if you want me to try another game, just comment. So to answer the question, let us first compare both devices, which is the Pro and the 6S. So the biggest difference between those two is the screen, which is the Pro is 11 and the S is 12.4. And the second difference is the processor. It's not that kind of faster, but somehow it's the latest chipset, which is the second generation of 8th gen. But for me, it's not that big reason to upgrade your device to S. And if you're going to ask me if I will upgrade, no, I will not upgrade. I will wait for the AMOLED screen for this pad to come out, because both of them equipped with LCD. So if you have this device, don't upgrade your Pro to 6S, because it's not that kind of big difference they have. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hope it helps you.